If you're over 60 and cruising without knowing these secrets, the cruise line is quietly draining hundreds from your account before you unpack. I know a 68-year-old from San Antonio who booked her dream cruise, covered every detail, and came home to $480 in hidden charges she never saw. The cruise industry pulled in $38 billion last year, and the fastest growing revenue isn't tickets. It's charges buried inside systems designed to feel like service. Here are 12 secrets they don't want seniors to know. These will save you real money, protect your health, and completely change how you cruise. And number 2 alone pays you back every time you sail. Let's sail in. Number 12, the cabin location trap. Most first-timers pick their cabin by price or view. Wrong move. A cruise ship captain with 20 years of experience confirmed that midship cabins on lower decks experience the least motion. The front of the ship takes every wave head-on. The top decks amplify every roll. And under the pool deck, lounge chairs dragging at 6 in the morning. Book early. Prime cabins sell out 6 to 8 months ahead. Check the deck plan and avoid spots near nightclubs, service corridors, or the engine room. One couple got a free upgrade that landed them directly beneath the Lido deck. They didn't sleep a full night the entire voyage. Pro tip: an interior midship cabin actually reduces seasickness. You won't see the waves, so your brain gets fewer conflicting signals. If protecting your comfort matters, hit like and subscribe for more cruise-saving tips. Number 11, the specialty dining bait Embarkation night. The specialty restaurant rolls out a $35 tasting menu. Beautiful ambiance. You're hooked. So you book 2 more dinners that week at $55 to $145 per person, plus wine pairing, plus 18% gratuity on top of the daily service charge you're already paying. A couple from San Diego started with that $35 hook and ended the week $487 lighter. What they don't tell you is the main dining room serves restaurant-quality food every night. Included in your fare, you can order multiple appetizers, multiple entrees, multiple desserts. No limits. Book one specialty dinner online before your cruise, where prices run 10 to 30% lower. One night is the experience. The main dining room handles the rest beautifully. Number 10. The gratuity double charge. Cruise lines now auto-charge $18 to $20 per person per day in service fees. That's already on your bill. But when you order a cocktail or add a lobster tail, another 18% gratuity gets stacked on that specific charge. You're now paying gratuity twice, once daily, once per item. Over a 7-night cruise, that silent double charge adds $80 to $120 for a couple, and nobody flags it. Check your onboard account every single night. Look for service charge and gratuity as separate line items on the same transaction. If both appear, you're being double billed. Guest services will reverse it, but only if you catch it before you disembark. That one habit could save you over $100 per cruise. Number 9. The port day shopping illusion. When the ship docks and half the passengers leave, onboard shops roll out exclusive port day offers. That half-off diamond ring was full price 24 hours ago and still overpriced by hundreds compared to retailers on land. Duty-free means no import tax. It does not mean cheapest price. A 69-year-old from Chicago bought a $600 bracelet thinking she'd scored a deal. She found the identical piece online for $195 when she got home. Before buying anything on board, photograph the item and price tag. Check it on your phone at the next port with cell service. If you can't verify the price, don't buy it. Pro tip: never buy on your first 2 sea days. Photograph items you like, then check prices again on the next port day. 9 times out of 10, they'll drop. Here's the catch. Most seniors think the biggest traps are on board, but what's coming next proves the real damage starts before you even board. Number 8. The Medicare blind spot. Here's something 76% of senior cruisers get wrong. They assume Medicare covers them at sea. It doesn't. Once your ship is more than 6 hours from a U.S. port, Medicare goes dark. You're completely on your own. And the ship's medical center isn't free. Every consultation and every pill gets billed to your cabin. One woman's infirmary bill hit $13,000. More than the cruise itself. Standard cruise line insurance barely helps, with caps far below real emergency costs. Buy third-party travel insurance with at least $100,000 in medical coverage and purchase it within 14 to 21 days of your initial deposit, or you lose the pre-existing condition waiver. If this has ever happened to you, drop your thoughts below. Number 7. The medical evacuation gap. This is the one that changes everything. If you need a helicopter evacuation to a mainland hospital, the cruise line doesn't pay. You do. Average cost, $30,000 to $100,000. A 76-year-old from Boston had a cardiac event on day 4. Helicopter to Miami. Bill, $68,000. His travel insurance covered $15,000. Before every cruise, purchase dedicated evacuation insurance, not travel insurance. Companies like MedJet or Global Rescue offer annual plans for $300 to $500, covering evacuation up to $500,000. The magic phrase when shopping: does this policy cover maritime medical evacuation with no sublimits? For seniors over 60, this isn't optional, it's essential. A $300 annual plan versus a $68,000 bill. That math speaks for itself. Number 6. The norovirus secret. Nobody wants to talk about this one. In 2025, cruise ships reported more norovirus outbreaks than any year since 2012. And here's what most seniors miss. Hand sanitizer alone doesn't kill norovirus. The CDC says soap and water for at least 20 seconds is the only reliable defense. The biggest risk for seniors isn't the virus itself. It's dehydration from vomiting and diarrhea, which escalates fast after 60. Pack non-aerosol disinfectant wipes. Wipe down your cabin phone, remote light switches, and doorknobs on day 1. Aerosol sprays like Lysol are banned on ships. Pro tip: use the buffet tongs, never your hands. And skip the buffet on Embarkation Day when it's most crowded and most contaminated. Hit the main dining room instead. Number 5. The travel agent advantage. Most seniors book directly with the cruise line thinking that's the best deal. It's actually the worst. Travel agents receive 10 to 16% commission from cruise lines, and the good ones pass a portion back to you as onboard credit, upgrades, or cash rebates. A 71-year-old from Denver booked a $4,200 cruise directly. Her friend booked the identical cabin, same sailing, through an agent and received $300 in onboard credit plus a free beverage package worth $700. Same cruise, same price, $1,000 difference in value. The cruise line price is the floor. Agents only add value on top. Never charge more. Always get quotes from at least 2 cruise specialized agents before booking direct. What they don't tell you about your next secret could put actual cash back in your pocket every single time you sail. Number 4. The price drop secret. If the price of your cabin drops after you've booked, even after final payment, most cruise lines will issue onboard credit, a refund, or a cabin upgrade. But they will never tell you it dropped. You have to catch it yourself. Carnival offers 110% of the difference as onboard credit. Royal Caribbean matches lower fares before final payment. A 68-year-old checked her price weekly after booking. 3 weeks before sailing, it dropped $480. She called and received $480 in onboard credit. The magic phrase, "I see my cabin category has dropped in price. I'd like to request a fare adjustment or equivalent onboard credit." Pro tip: use a fare tracking tool or ask your travel agent to monitor your sailing's price weekly. This single secret has saved seniors thousands. Number 3. The Embarkation Day Goldmine. Most passengers waste Embarkation Day fighting over buffet tables and standing in lines. Smart cruisers treat it like a strategy session. Skip the buffet and head to the main dining room. It's open, uncrowded, and the food is better. Then visit the spa for a free tour. They'll offer Embarkation Day discounts that disappear by day 2. Pre-purchase Wi-Fi, drink packages, and excursions online before you board. Prices run 20 to 50% lower than onboard. And call your steward to empty the minibar fridge on day 1. Use it for your own snacks, water, and medication. The phrase, "Please remove all minibar items. I need the space for medical supplies." You just turned a fee trap into free storage. Number 2. The shareholder credit hack. This sounds too good to be true, but it's real and verified. Own 100 shares of Carnival Corporation stock, roughly $2,800, and you get $50 to $250 in onboard credit on every single cruise. Not once, every time you sail. And it works across all Carnival brands: Princess, Holland America, Cunard, Seabourn. Royal Caribbean and Norwegian offer the same perk. For frequent cruisers, the credit pays back the stock investment within a few trips, and you still own the shares. Submit proof through the Stock Perks app at least 3 weeks before sailing. Most cruisers have never heard of this. One more secret left, and honestly, the final power tip could be worth more than all of the above combined. Number 1. The Future Cruise Deposit Trap. On the last 2 nights, everyone from your server to your steward pushes you to book your next cruise on board. Lowest deposit ever. The deposit is usually refundable. Fine, but the packages they attach, drink bundles, dining packages, Wi-Fi, are often non-refundable and non-transferable once booked at sea. A 73-year-old from Savannah booked a future cruise with a $400 dining package attached, found a better deal through her agent 2 weeks later. The cruise line refused the refund. Book the cruise on board if the deposit is refundable, but never attach packages at sea. Wait until you're home, compare prices, and book add-ons where cancellation policies are clear. If they're pressuring you to decide right now, the deal benefits them more than you. That's 12. But one final thing most seniors completely overlook. Final power tip. Every cruise automatically enrolls you in the loyalty program. Most seniors ignore those emails. Don't. Repeat cruisers quietly, unlock 5 to 10% discounts, free upgrades, exclusive lounges with complimentary drinks, and priority boarding. But here's the twist. Always compare loyalty pricing in an incognito browser first. Some cruise lines inflate the base fare for logged-in members, making that exclusive discount land you at the same price or higher. The loyalty program only works if you verify the math. That one habit separates seniors who cruise smart from those who cruise blind. If this made you feel more prepared, hit like and subscribe. Drop the word insider in the comments. I want to see how many smart cruisers are here. See you next time.